Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a pose called Fallen Flamingo. Thing is, I'm not really sure why it's called Fallen Flamingo because it's really a variation of pyramid pose, although I have also seen it called floating pyramid, so whatever works for you. Okay, so fallen flamingo or floating pyramid, it's a pretty cool pose. It requires quite a deep hamstring stretch, so you really need to warm up your hamstrings first. And also it's quite strong on the core, so it's kind of a really cool mix of strength and flexibility. Okay, so we'll just stretch out our hamstrings first with some half splits, and then I'll show you how to get into the pose itself. Okay, so to come into your half splits, extend one leg out in front of you. I'm going to use my right leg, but obviously at home, try and keep this balanced. And we want to pick up the toes and flex the foot. So ideally keep the hips over the knee or they can come slightly back. And then we're just going to fold forward. Try and lead with the chest. Keep the leg engaged, so pulling up the kneecap, really working into the stretch. Okay, so now we have stretched out our hamstrings. I'm going to show you how to get into Fallen Flamingo. So to get into Fallen Flamingo, we want to start off in pyramid pose. You might want a slightly longer stance than normal. And we're going to fold forward, but we're going to stretch the arms out behind us. So fingers pointing backwards, fingertips on the mat. So this is where we're going to work into the transition. So you need to take some of the weight onto your fingertips and move the back leg forward. Bring the knees together, kind of press them together. Try and keep the hips up. So we're now really press into your front foot, press into the fingertips and try and keep sending the weight forward as you pick the back leg up. Squeeze with the core, keep it really strong. And then bring the back foot down and release back down to the mat. So it's quite a fun pose to play with. It's also quite a tough one, not one you'd want to hold for like a super long time or anything. But it's fun to kind of play with the mix of balance, strength, and flexibility that's needed in Fallen Flamingo pose. So good luck with it, have fun with it. Let me know how you get on, and please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you very much.